Hello, welcome to another Cycletech review unboxing, and today it's a mini unboxing. We've got the Core Cap from BBB Cycling. They're a Dutch brand that produce a whole range of cycling accessories, tools, pumps, work stands. They also do their own range of clothing and helmets. We've got some of their sunglasses coming through. I think it's the Arc Flux are coming, so they also produce sunglasses as well. Really good brand, produce a lot of stuff, very good quality and reasonable prices. Take a look if you get a chance. But let's have a look at these, the Core Cap. So what is the Core Cap? Well, it's a replacement for your presta valve. Why do you want to replace your presta valve? It's been around for 100 years. Why do you want to replace it? Well, since we've all started going tubeless, not all of us obviously, but since tubeless has become a thing, what we found is with the presta valve, if you ever look at the actual little presta valve itself, it's tiny. The clearances inside are very, very small. So when you're setting up your tubeless tyres, that if you leave the valve in, it can restrict the airflow, or it does restrict the airflow, which means some tyres become a pain to inflate, so you have to either get a booster or remove the valve to pump the tyre up, get enough air flowing through to seat those tyres up initially. Once it's all set up and you've added sealant to the system, now the clearances inside the presta valve very small, so small that the sealant fills it because it thinks it's a puncture. So basically you end up having to replace your valves regularly or try and clear them out. It's a bit of a pain. So various brands, if you look on our website, you see there's 4, 5, 6 different versions around, have basically looked at the problem and made an alternative. And this is BBB Cycling's version, the Core Cap. What they've done, which is a little bit different, is that they've made literally a cap that sits on top of your valve, sorry, not your valve, on top of your stem. So you can remove your valve, your presta valve, and you've got two options. You can either buy just the caps, which is what we've got in here, screw those on, and away you go. The cap has basically wider clearances inside. BBB Cycling say that it increases the air throughput by, I think it was 300%, which is obviously a big deal. So that'll mean a lot of the times you better seat your tyres straight away with probably just a track pump, if you're getting that. And well, it depends on tyre and rim combination as well. Also, because the clearances are bigger inside, you're not going to get gummed up with sealant, which is obviously a big deal. So let's get inside and have a look, and then I'll tell you a few more facts afterwards. Okay, so here we go, BBB Cycling Core Caps. Here's our packaging. Nice bit of cardboard, faster, smoother, easier. Let me blow your mind. So let's have a look inside. It's I've torn it already. There we go. Core Cap, good to finally meet. So you've got the various colours you can get if you so want. Well, you've got instructions, which are pretty simple. Remove your presta core, screw on the core cap, pump it up and go. And that's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. So let's get inside and see what we've got. So there you go. There's your packaging. So you actually get the core cap itself here, a lock nut, and then like a rim adapter. So let's pop one out and see if we can get a look at it. Okay, so there is your core cap. I think basically you've got a little, yeah, you can see that there. Let's have a look. You press that and that goes straight in like that. Now it's got, let's just give it, I'll just get some calipers on there and we'll measure what the actual sizes of that are, just to give you an idea. Okay, so let's get the calipers on. Sorry, not any fancy digital ones, but that by 1, 2, so it's that 12.5. Would you agree? Let's get it in focus there. 12.5 mil. The height, not just over 19 mil high. That's obviously with a little spring sticking out as well. Put that down there. it's got a couple, let's see, has it got a flat? No, it's got a thread here, it's got a slight, there you go, you've got a couple of slight flats there, just there and there, so that'll, you know, if you need to have any problems, you can get a little spanner on there just to take it off. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just a cap. I'll get a stem and I'll show you how it screws on. Hang on. Okay, to give a comparison, here's the venerable presta valve, 100 years old, well, over 100 years old apparently. As you can see, it is quite a dainty little affair, and in comparison you can see the core cap is a lot bigger, and that's its benefit. Basically, there's more air through, it's more robust. You can see this little the top of the valve here is prone to damage. It gets bent and sometimes it gets snapped off, which makes it, you know, you then have to replace the valve, which, you know, they're cheap to replace, but it can be a pain. And I don't know if you can see, but this is, you know, this is this place that gets full up with sealant, and it can be a real pain. I mean, this one's quite free moving at the moment, but that's what the core cap is replacing. Another thing to be aware of as well is that with the core cap, you'll need to use a Schrader pump. So here's a pump. Most pumps are obviously, the heads are flippable. You unscrew this piece, whip out the internals, reverse them, and you can do Presta or Schrader. So this one's set up for Schrader, and that will just go straight in there. So it means you can, most garages, or the pumps that they have are usually, well, always Schrader. So if you were stuck in an emergency, you could always go to the garage to get a replacement. But yeah, there you go. The core cap. That's, you just need to choose what colour you want, and whether you want, as I said, just the cap on its own, which is that, or if you want a complete setup. And as I said, you got in the packaging you have sort of the adapters that fit your rims, and the I don't know what you call the bottom nut that holds that holds the stem in place, but you get those as well. So that's just the core cap, not the full kit. There you go. And oh yes, you've also got to choose what colour you want. Look, 6 choices of colours. Black goes with everything, but why not jazz it up a bit? Okay, so that's the core cap. Like I say, it comes in 2 versions. You can either get just the cap on its own, the full tubeless setup, which will give you the stem, the caps, and the various lock rings. It comes in various colours, so you can mix and match your colours if that's your thing. The stems will be black, but you can get different coloured caps. Quite a good idea, I think. Like I say, I'll try them out and I'll let you know how they work, if they do make a difference, and if they gum up with sealant or anything like that. But yeah, I'll be putting them on my bike and trying them out soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye there.